Welcome to Protect Your Digital Privacy. This entry-level course is designed to help you increase the privacy and security of your online digital presence. By systematically going through each of these short and simple instructions, you'll be able to easily accomplish all the tasks at a comfortable pace. The plan consists of steps intentionally grouped into sections to keep related tools or tasks together for faster learning and progress. This first group of tasks focuses on securing the Windows 10 and Mac OS operating system. These actions lay the foundation: patching and updating your operating system, reviewing the apps you're using and suggestions for future app installs, recommendations for antivirus and anti-malware software, and suggestions for safeguarding your web browser. Section 2 of the course is about protecting the stuff you send and receive over the internet. Defending yourself online includes selecting and using a password manager, encrypted email and setting up a free account, tips for creating hard-to-crack passwords, understanding and using two-factor authentication, and how to create and use alias email. Then we'll direct our attention to securing what may be your primary tool for online access, your mobile device. This section is where you'll be updating your iPhone or Android operating system, creating better passcodes, tweaking the security settings, and reviewing secure apps for messaging, voice and video calls, and file sharing. There's also a bonus section with a few miscellaneous steps where you can continue to organize your digital content and reduce vulnerabilities, understand and use masked payment methods, and share your knowledge with friends and family. Each lecture within the course will be preceded by a quick intro and an overview of the level of difficulty, the time it will take, and the reason behind performing the task. At the end of the course, you will be able to identify and proactively correct vulnerabilities to your computer or mobile device and will be better equipped to protect your privacy and digital security.